Hi, I'm Larry King, Dyson's Global Ambassador. This is Victoria Magrath, Dyson's Ambassador as well. To start with, prep the hair and take your supersonic, blow drying the hair all back, creating lots of volume through the top, but keeping the sides really tight and sleek. Next step, take your Dyson Corrale and create S waves all the way through the hair to create lots of texture through the front. We're going to be keeping it tight with the Corrale at the sides, and then we're going to just create an S at the end. And then finish by gripping pieces of hair up into it to create that kind of rock chick, cool girl vibes.